Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 236, lowest common ancestor of binary tree. So in this question you just have to return the ancestor. You are giving it two nodes P and Q, and you just have to return the ancestor of these two nodes. Okay, so here is P is 5 and Q is 1. 5 and 1, their common ancestor is 3, so you just have to return the tree 3. Okay, in the same way there is in 5 and 4. 5 and 4, what is their common ancestor? Basically the 5 is only one who is their common ancestor, so you just have to return the 5. Okay, so let's do this question. First you have to write the condition. If root is equals to P, or root equals to Q, then you just have to return root. Okay, else if exist root का left comma P and exist root का right comma Q, then you just have to return root. Else if exist root का right comma P and exist root का left comma Q, then you just have to again return the root. Okay, else if exist root का left comma Q and exist is a function I will make later on. First I have to write root का left comma Q, then you just have to return lowest common ancestor of root का left comma P comma Q. Okay, and after that you just have to return else return control V lowest common ancestor of root का right comma P comma Q. Okay, let's make exist function. Bool exist tree node root comma tree node target. You just have to check if root equals to null, then you just have to return false. If root equals to target, then you just have to return true. Okay, and after that you just have to return the exist of root का left comma target and control Z. Okay, root, again you write exist root का right comma target. Okay, and after that you just have to check the code that this run properly or not. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching this code.